Next, we're going to present Natesha Kotwam, a vibrant and reverent piece in praise of Lord Natraja, the cosmic dancer. Set in Chatushra Ekatalam, this composition bursts with rhythm and divine energy.
Lord Nataraja is the embodiment of both destruction and creation. His dance symbolizes the rhythm of the universe itself. This Gautavam reflects the cosmic dynamism through bold, masculine choreography, striking poses, and commanding footwork.
It's a powerful form of Tandava, showcasing the dancer's strength and control as she invokes the presence of Shiva in his most awe-inspiring form. Every movement is a tribute to the force of transformation that lies at the heart of Bharatanatyam.
Before we begin, I just want to remind everyone to please be seated in your seats and to also not talk during performances. It's very disturbing and distracting to Ashna. But now I would like to continue and welcome Ashna to the stage.
ನಾದಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜಗಣಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ಜಗಣಂ ಕಿಡ ತೃತೀಯ ಸಹಸ್ರ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತನಾಥ ನಟೇಶ ಗೌತಮ್ ತಗ ತಗ ತಾಂ ದಿಗಿ ದಿಗಿ ತೈ ತಕ್ಕುದಿ ಕುತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕೊಂಬಿಡ ಗಿಡದ